Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquila, and if you're new, I'd love for you guys to join. So for today's video, I thought I would do just a little mini vlog. I don't think we're doing anything, to be honest. I think we're just staying home because it's not the weekend, so we're probably not gonna do anything. But I thought I would vlog. So this is my OOTD, if you guys were wondering. Just this cute little butterfly shirt with some biker shorts, a little choker, and then my makeup is pretty natural. I'm not wearing my dramatic lashes. But yeah, right now I'm probably just gonna clean up, pick up the stuff, and make myself some coffee. So first I'm probably gonna make some coffee, some iced coffee. And right now it's currently 10:48. So let's just go make some iced coffee. That works. Alright, so I have stuff that just got done out of the dishwasher, so I like to use my Starbucks cup. So that's what I'm going to be using for my iced coffee, but I'm going to like dry it off because it's super wet. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get some ice in my cup. And then I'm going to go in with some milk. It doesn't really matter what milk you use, it's just the milk I use. I'm using the vitamin D whole milk. And I'm probably going to pour, I'll set this up here. This is my little like at-home Starbucks. So I usually fill it up probably like right there. Maybe a little more. And then I use this vanilla latte Starbucks one. These little things are expensive. $5 for this? This is little. And then I usually pour probably like right there because I don't want to have too much coffee or else I start to get shaky. So sometimes I try to drink water and coffee at the same time just so it's more diluted so it doesn't make me as shaky. So now I'm going to mix that up. Usually the ice likes to stick together, so it's kind of hard to get down there to mix it up, but I make it work. Perfect. And that is my little at-home Starbucks. So now I'm probably just going to take the stuff out the dishwasher because that needs to get dry and I need to set some other stuff in there. Lucky boy. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. You're so precious. Yes, you are. Smile. Give him the smile. Give him the smile. Oh yeah, we like that. I need to put this stuff in the clothes hamper. I need to start another load of laundry. I feel like I'm doing laundry every single day, literally. Like, I'm pretty sure I do laundry every single day. laundry is getting started, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the stove because the stove is actually really dirty. It gets dirty fast also, so that is what I'm gonna be doing. Put up these M&Ms. I can't wait. Okay, so sometimes sooner or later I'm gonna get organization things like little jars and stuff for all this because it looks so tacky. Like, look, so tacky. We need like organization things, and like especially in, I guess this one's not too bad because it's pretty leveled out, but like the rest really needs stuff done to it. I'm probably gonna let the puppies outside because they keep following me around and I do not want that right now, and they like it out there anyways, and they didn't get out much yesterday because it was raining. So now, since I lit the candles and everything, got that done, I'm just gonna go ahead and fold up these blankets. Succulents we got. So we have one right there, it's an aloe vera plant, and then this one, I forgot what the other two are, but that one is definitely an aloe vera one. And then these other two little succulents, and then I have my other little succulents right here, and it's so cute. I love them. Two little cactuses. I don't know what those two are. I don't know what the other two are. Sorry guys, I'm bad with plant names, but I just know they're cute. Kind of got them for the looks, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so hey guys, I'm back. So now I'm currently just getting ready to watch some YouTube videos, and that's the dog that you heard. But right now I'm just getting ready to watch some YouTube videos and just catch up on anybody that I haven't watched. The laundry's almost done, so I need to go fold and put up the laundry. And we're gonna go to Walmart soon after he gets off. He doesn't get off until 5 though, so I still got a while until we're going there. But the puppies are just laying down. There's Clark. Rosie's over there. I'm just getting ready to watch some YouTube videos. Hey guys, so also in this video, I just wanted to talk about my favorite products for the month of June. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products here that I'm just going to be talking about. And the first product is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I've never used this before. I'm always used to using makeup wipes. But lately I've been using this, and even when my face is just like dirty and I don't wear makeup, I use this and it works really well. It gets all the dirt off. Sorry, I was in a rush to get up here. Now I'm out of breath. But I've been using this a lot lately because it gets all the dirt off, and even if, like I said, if you're not wearing makeup, it gets it off and makes your face really clean. Even when I get out of the shower, like I wash my face in the shower, but I use this after I get out of the shower also. And then the next one is this oil-free eye makeup remover by Neutrogena, and it works really well too, especially like when I'm wearing my fake lashes and the glue just gets stuck. And this works really well. Just use like a little cotton pad thing and put it on there and just wipe it off, and it works really good to get all the stickiness off. And then the next, I use this all the time, so I can't really say it's my June favorites, but I'm putting it in here because I just want to talk about it. the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Ashton. It's in Ashton, and this is just what it looks like. I wear this like every day that I wear makeup, and I'm already running empty. I'm about to start my third one. This is my second. I'm about to start my third. And then the other one is the Milani Baked Blush in Rose Duro. That's what it is. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's just what it looks like. And this is also what it looks like. Really pretty and natural looking. I've really been loving this. I'm actually wearing it right now. Pretty natural, but you can probably still see it a little. And then the next is this lip sleeping mask. You just put this on every night before you sleep, and like in the morning it leaves your lips feeling really soft, so I love that. And then I use this all the time too, but I still wanted to put it in for my June favorites, the activated charcoal tooth powder and 100% natural ingredients. You can get this on Amazon. It works really good. It leaves your teeth really white, especially like after your first time using it, or like if you use it for that day, like you can see a difference already in your teeth. It gets all the plaque off. Like when you brush your teeth, sometimes you don't get all the plaque off, and like this really gets all the plaque off. And then I also wanted to talk about the giveaway products. So like I said before, once I hit 300 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So I just wanted to show you guys the products that I'm going to be giving away. And I will have rules down in the description, but I will also have rules over on Instagram and Facebook, because there's going to be different rules for each, just because I know some people don't follow me on Instagram or don't have an Instagram. I know some people don't have a YouTube, and they have a Facebook, or opposite, either or. So I'm going to have different rules for each, just so I can get people to get into the giveaway. So the first thing I'm going to be giving away is this Happy Vibes lotion from Bath & Body Works. And then this Cranberries Bath Bomb. And then 2 face masks. One is a Natural Tox Apple Mask Sheet. I think they're both mask sheets, yeah. This one's a Caffeine Rush Nourishing Face Mask Sheet. And they just look like that. And then this one is a Wildflower case for the iPhone XS Max. Funny thing is, I got this case for me, but I ended up getting just the iPhone XS phone, so it doesn't fit my phone, so I just thought, might as well just put it in the giveaway. There's no point in selling it when I can just give it away. So that is what I'm going to be doing. This is just what it looks like. I'll take it out just so you guys can see it a little better. That's what it looks like. Pretty cute. Trendy. But yeah, that will be it for the giveaway, and that's probably going to be it for the video also. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.